Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you where to find all the new resources in the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So these new ingredients are sea crabs, and then Wakame and Glasswort, and you will need them to cook many of the new event recipes. First, for the sea crabs can be found all around the Coral Way area. This one, at this area, you can just find the sea crabs on here. Like for example in here, I got this sea grape like this. Just tap on it and then you will automatically collect the sea grapes. And then for the glasswort, you can find them at the jellyfish cave on here. This one. And then for the wakame is near the Whalefall area. This one. Like this. And okay, that's where you can collect all the new cooking resources in the Call of Whales event. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!